Okay, so here's my vent system. Let's turn on a few things and turn off a few things. I'm gonna turn on and off some architecture models, and let's look and see what we got. Now, the architect's model, when I turn it on, make sure that it's in the wall space back here so we can't see anything. And if we go back down to the, let's activate our section boxes and go back to the first floor plan. Okay, so I'm gonna crop this out. Okay, so we can look at inside the bathroom. Okay, now let's go back and take a look at that. Okay, so now you can see that there's no vent in this room like it was before, because it's all behind the wall. That's what you want. You want it behind the wall. So you come up, and what I'm trying to do, you see that little guy right there on the second level? I'm trying to bring my vent so that I can use the vent from this system and tie it in to the vent system on the second level. That's on the second level. That's this guy. That's the second level here. Okay, that's this one right here. I'm gonna tie it into so that when it comes up, we can tie it back into it. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna see what we can do. So we keep going and 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 we keep going. Going. Let's go back. Let's go back. And we're gonna look at what's going on here. I'm all turned around. Let's go down here. And now we can see this piece. Let's go up and turn on the structure members. So, because we're gonna have to make sure that everything is good on the structure side. See each individual vent. Come up, and we go through this member here. We're gonna have to go through the middle part of it. Okay. I don't know if it's in the middle, but we can just make a note and put it in the specs for the guys. Okay, so we're gonna come back. Let's see what we can do here. Let's go to the second level. Because we're up here. Looks like it's gonna be okay, but we'll see. Let's turn this pipe. Let's go this way. And let's look at that section view. Make sure nothing is, I might want to turn on let's turn on the mechanical. You see that? We just turned it. Everything looks good. Let's turn that right there. Yeah, okay. Let's go back and add another model in here. Let's turn on the HVAC model and make sure we're not going through any chillers or anything. No chillers and no ducting's going through. Looks like it's all okay. What's going on here? Okay, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Okay, so now we see this is our water closet. And if we go back, let's do this. Let's go to the third on second. Okay, let's go second. Let's go to second level and let's look at this section here. Don't want to let's look at a real nice little view. So we got it's like it's going to go through another beam member here. Let's look at this one. Let's go to our section view. Okay, so we got something going on here. And I'm going to make sure that nothing is there. Okay, so So it's just a little joist. I think these are called joists, bar joists, I think. Just tab, little bar joist angle wave. You're not concerned about that one. Let's go back. We'll go back because we want to tie it into that. Let's go to the second level. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take, let's do this. Let's go to the second level, come back over here. And if this, let's see, let's do this. This one. Okay, so we're gonna tie just a, I guess it's okay. But let's go second level section, and I'm gonna do a create similar, and we'll come down. Okay, now that's gonna be our, let's see if we can go all the way up, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. I think that these are gonna be duplicates. If I can come here and draw our pipe all the way up, all the way up through. That's the fourth level. I think we got a fifth level, and then we can go up to the roof. Okay. So we go back to the, let's go to the second level. And here's our third level. And what I'm going to do, let's go back to the second level. I'm going to take this water closet. I'm going to copy it, go to the third level, and paste it, the current view. Let's go to the fourth level. Let's come on and paste and copy, align to current view. Okay, let's go to the fifth level and see what we got. Fifth level, oh man, everything seems to be lining up just the way we like it. Align to current view, just like that. Now let's go to the green roof, see what's happening there. Uh-oh. Now we're gonna have to make some kind of adjustment, maybe somewhere, but we can get to that later. Let's go back, fifth, fourth, third. Okay, this is second level. And we can line this up. I guess it can be okay. We can line it up. Just line it up. Come back and do it like this. We can line it up. Go here. And let's come back. I think okay, let's do this. I'm gonna move my section just to line it up. Let's go back and here and here. Okay, now we got it. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna come back up here, go to our section view again, so we can just come back here and just create a team. Let's extend this and that. And that's a sanitary, but I just want a regular team. Nothing fancy, just a regular team. Nothing fancy. It doesn't have to be fancy at all. Okay, so now it looks like we just connected our first level to the second level. I think that looks good. I'm going to go back, make sure we got everything all in order. Okay, so if we extend, let's extend our model range and go all the way up to the roof. Okay, you can see that things are just lining up just the way we like it. And I can get a better view here. Let's get a better view so you can see what kind of view it is. Turn off everything but the plumbing view. Okay, so our riser is looking pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I like it. So that's just the way it is. I don't think that there is anything wrong with that. Let me do this. Turn on our architect's model, make sure nothing is hanging over on the side. Turn on an architect's model. Okay, nothing is too obvious. It looks like that's, so there might be it's exposed here, but I'm not going to worry about that. Maybe they can build another soffit in here. I think that's a soffit right there. Let's go with this. Yeah, we got us a soffit there. Okay, so there's going to be something so we can tie it into the, let's go back over here. So it's going to come out on our roof here, but I may have to offset it somewhere. I think I'm just going to have to do that. I don't have a choice in the matter. Way down. Let's look at our second level. We come all the way back and look at a right side view. And we can go all the way and look down into the second level. We can come all the way over, all the way over. Just past the second level. Okay. Now we can turn our 3D view and see what's going on in our, I think it's on the other side. I don't know where it is. I'm gonna leave it. Just leave it right. Leave it right. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Turn this off. Okay. Looks like we got us. What happened? Got to go up. Okay. So that's the extent of it right there. If I can get the front view, okay, that's the front view. I have my levels on. That's the second level here. It looks like everything's okay. So that's how I'm going to do the vent size. And it's just got to make sure that everything is, looks like everything is going to be okay. Turn on the architect's model. Okay. And everything is not being exposed other than this piece here, but I think they can build something out, figure out something to do that. And it comes up through the bathroom here. Okay. And that's the riser on the second level for this floor, for this water closet. It's level 3. Let's go back down. I'm going to run here. This level 3. So I can click here and come down. Let's see, what level is this one? That's level 2. Okay, so that's level 2. And so everything seems to be okay. So that's how we're going to build our system. I'm just going to leave it at that. Just going to leave it at that. The rest of it, we can just kind of play around with it. Make sure everything's okay. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's do this. Yeah. Let's see. I'm going to have to go up a little bit just to show what's going on. So that's the system right there. Okay. Okay. Now I'll talk to you guys later.